How to use Smart Toilet. 1. Start the Smart Toilet. Rotate the valve until the inlet valve is open. Plug the power plug into the 220/50 Hz socket. Press the power button to make sure the power light is on. 2. Smart Toilet sense human presence. At the distance of 30 centimeters, the lid will automatically open. To open the seat, extend your foot to the front of sensor on the right side of ceramic base. The seat will automatically flip up. No need to manually touch the seat. Extend your foot towards the sensor again to close the seat cover and the lid. The Smart Toilet will perform automatic flush. The body of the Smart Toilet is equipped with human body sensing area. The skin of the person needs to be close to the sensing area. You can operate the rear washing, front washing, and drying functions with remote control. You can press Smart Program on the remote control. Smart Toilet will be able to perform washing, flushing, and drying automatically. 3. Cleaning adjustment. While using the rear washing or front washing, you can press the nozzle position button on the remote control to move the position. You can also press the rear and front washing button again to make nozzle automatically spray back and forth. You can adjust the water temperature by pressing water temperature button. The water temperature has 4 adjustable levels, from normal temperature, 34 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, and 40 degrees Celsius. 4. Seat adjustment. If you feel your seat cover is cold, press the seat temperature button on the remote control to adjust the seat temperature. The seat temperature has 4 adjustable levels, from normal temperature, 34 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, and 40 degrees Celsius. 5. Dryer adjustment. While using drying function, the drying temperature can be adjusted by pressing dryer temperature button on the remote control. The dryer temperature has 4 adjustable levels, from normal temperature, 35 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius, and 55 degrees Celsius. 6. Switching machine operation. Press and hold the power button on the remote control, or the power button on the side of the cover, to turn the toilet on and off.